Now if we have 3 resistor in that way, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Okay. And now if I connect these 3 resistor in that way, this combination called parallel. Parallel combination means if the we can say is the first part of each resistor is connected to the same point, and the second part of each resistor is connected to the another same point. Okay, this is called nothing but the parallel combination. We have already told in the basic video or the basic content how we identify the series and the parallel combination. So this is the point A, this is the point B. So can you tell me what is the entire potential differences between these 2 points or between the entire circuit? What is the potential difference of the entire circuit? Simple. The entire potential difference of the circuit is what? VA minus VB. And this VA minus VB is same for each resistor, R1, R2, R3. And that is the basic differences. For the series combination, the potential differences for each resistor is different. But in here, for the parallel one, the voltage differences is equal, VA minus VB. That is the voltage difference of the entire circuit, A, B. The potential difference between A and B is equals to VA minus VB. Understand? VA minus VB. Now, if we consider I current is coming towards A, the current I, then what will happen? If I current come to A, the current will divide into 3 segments, as we have 3 different segments here. It is I1, it is I2, it is I3. Here the current flowing, the rate of current flowing is not same for each resistor. Resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3. Each resistor having different rate of current. That is I1, I2 and I3. So simply we can write down here I is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So now according to the Ohm's law, tell me what is the value of I1, what is the value of I2, what is the value of I3. We know current, the rate of current is equals to the potential difference by resistor. So here the potential difference of each resistor is what? Same, VA minus VB by R1. So I2 is equals to VA minus VB by R2. I3 is what? VA minus VB by R3. So put down the value here. VA minus VB by R1, VA minus VB by R2, VA minus VB by R3. So if VA minus VB is common, then 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That is the value of I. Okay, so take it as a first equation. And now the concept of equivalent resistance or the equivalent resistor. So if now I am deleting R1, R2 and R3. So think about it, these 3 resistors is no more in this circuit. Instead we have only one resistor. That is what? R. So I connected R in that circuit in that way. The value of the rate of current for the entire circuit I is not changed. The value of the entire potential difference of the circuit VA minus VB is not changed. What we have here, that is what? If the R is the equivalent resistor, then we can simply write down again I is equals to VA minus VB, that is the potential difference by the resistance, that is what? R. So by the equation number 1 and equation number 2, we simply can write down here that 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. That means the reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equals to the summation of the reciprocals of resistor which are connected, right? So the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance of the resistance connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of those resistance. Understand? So it's very easy. But tell me, if we only have two, in that way, if we only have two, like R1 and R2, if these two resistors are connected parallel, then what will be the value? Simple, 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that is what? R1, R2, R1 plus R2. That is the value of 1 by R. So what is the value of R? R is equals to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. That means the multiplication of two resistor by the addition of two resistor when these two resistor is connected in parallel combination. So likewise, if two resistor in that way, one is suppose 3 ohm and another one is 4 ohm, what will be the value of the equivalent resistor? This is simple, 3 into 4 by 3 plus 4, that means 7 by 12 ohm. Correct? It is easy. In the next content, we will talk about a little problems regarding series combination and parallel combination.